What's every family do when it's 38 degrees outside and raining to spend quality family time together? Where are we going?
Junkyarding!
We're gonna go to the junkyard and get Hunter's dash for old Tomcat. Hunter, you awake?
Not really.
Okay, all right. See you guys there. All right, we stopped and got our C4s for the day. Hint, hint, C4. We need some sponsorship. Mom Bear got one down there. Hunter got one back there somewhere. Yep. So now it's pouring ass down rain, which is exciting. We got a 2-mile hike up to this truck when we get there, so fun times. Pouring down rain and only 3 more miles of hiking to go. It's amazing how much more stuff you can see when all the leaves are off the trees at this place. It goes on forever back in there. Get past this little building here. Well, we finally made it back to the truck.
A little winded.
That we decided to pull the interior out of a couple months ago. We need to get this dash back out of this thing and then mark 17 miles back down the hill to the truck.
I'm gonna try not to drop my phone.
Or let it blow out the window.
Yeah. Okay, what is that?
This is Hunter's dash for Tomcat. 2 hours later.
Okay. Got it.
All right. Clean sweep, make Hard day at the junkyard means we gotta eat a good lunch.
Thank you for the win.
Hey, I got a salad. Hunter got a salad too, but he ate it in 1 bite. Things are coming along nicely in Hunter's truck. He's got the carpet all cleaned up. Got the new seat in with that fancy seat cover on there. Got the floors all painted. We've still got loads of parts to get put in here, but it's definitely making some headway.